other choice do we have? People are busy arguing about, this is not what we want. This is not what. Okay, what is it that you want, and what plans do you have to put whatever it is that you want into motion? Nyaya ndeyekuti vazhinji vedu tiri muopposition, and tiri muopposition kudaro vazhinji vacho vevazhinji ivavo vanoda Chamisa. But prior to this initiative by Geza and the comrades, we had no plan. As the opposition, we had no plan. Tatatosvika pekuti tapererwa. Now there's a plan coming, and we are invited to the table to make contributions to help make this thing work. Takuya nema conditions. And yet we are just supposed to be there to make whatever fundamental goals that they have able to work, so that we can be part of this whole thing together. Izvi zvokuti vanhu vainvitwa vakuda kuuya vachizochinja magoals, vakuda kuuya vachizochinja madeadlines, vakuda kuintroduce their own thing when they had nothing to begin with. I think I'm also part of the opposition, but I think it's ridiculous. You can't come and start changing zvinhu zvandisina kuinitiate and start wanting to lead a process that I did not initiate. If I had initiated and invited somebody else to come and join me, the expectation is that they come to support and give whatever that they are able to give in terms of boosting the plan that we have. So I think as Zimbabweans, let's get out of this issue yekuti wainvitwa wakutoda kutoleader, and that's the problem. Let's let those people who initiated lead the process, because they led us and they invited us when we had no plan. What other choice do we have? People are busy arguing about, this is not what we want. This is not what. Okay, what is it that you want, and what plans do you have to put whatever it is that you want into motion? The fact of the matter is there's nothing. Hapana chati charongeka, chati chabuda kunze uko. Now everybody's got a plan, like to counter the initial plan. What is that? If that is not self-inflicting, if that is not self-defeating, what are we doing as Zimbabweans? Let's come together and let's work together. If there are issues that we need to raise, let's raise them in a manner that respects and gives honor to the initiators of the program that invite her to the table. That's I think for me that would be common sense, not to start to come and shift and change and chop and change and do as we please with a program that was not initiated by us. To tell the truth, we were stuck. And that is the real truth. We were stuck, and if we let this opportunity go, we will still go back to point zero where we will be stuck. Nyaya iripo ndeyekuti ngatibvisei munhu uyu totangira from there. Kana tabvisa munhu uyu, then we can start coming together again, putting our heads together. How do we make this thing work? Because chekutanga ndechekuti tikuda kuti we need to curb the corruption, we need to curb the looting. Toita attend kuma issues anechekuita necurrency, toita plans anechekuita necreate employment, so that the pavements are not filled with vendors. Everybody is just becoming a vendor. Even our children, vanema degrees, some of them very educated, but they can't do anything because now everybody is being turned into a vendor. And all these are issues that need people to come together and discuss in a way that is sober. Ngatimbosiyai nyaya dzekudhakwa dzatiri kuita idzi dzekuti we want to be drunk with power. It's nothing to do with power. Let's come together for the sake of Zimbabwe and give up whatever misgivings that we have about each other and give ourselves a chance to make things work. That's what I think. Izvokuti mupote muchitukana pama social media, muchidzikisirana, muchiita all this thing, and you are not this, you are not that, you are not supposed to be doing this, you are not supposed to be doing that. I think that's all like self-defeating, really. If we are serious about coming together and removing Idi Mnangagwa. We have to focus. We have to focus and forget about ourselves, our egos, and forget about all that and just focus on what is to be done. If I can contribute in any way to this program coming to fruition, what can I do? That's the question that I'm asking. Not what do I benefit? No, but what can I do for this project, for this initiative to come to pass? How do we succeed? What can I contribute? Ndo iripo isusu, we are ready to contribute whatever needs to be contributed kuti nyaya iyi ifambire mberi, kwete izvi zvokuti tirambe tichingotsvaga kuti achazogara pandiani, achanga achiita izvo ndiani, because we don't have an option. Let's be realistic about this. The fact is we have no option. This is the only open window that is available right now. So nyaya yekuti munhu wese suddenly atove neplan, suddenly he knows what to do, I think that's wrong. Honestly, I think that's wrong.